Hey guys, this is Boy Trippin' TV here. We're back with another video and unboxing. Today, guys, we also have this new collab here of the Vlone. Okay, so y'all already know that StockX, we ordered this off StockX, y'all feel me? Something like, got the StockX and then you got the receipt. Hold up. Y'all see the pricing and stuff. Let y'all see how much it costs. Y'all boys spent $104. Y'all see the shirt. Y'all ready to see the shirt? Let's go. There you go. Shirt, good tensions. On the back, good V. That's the back part. I'm gonna show y'all a video right now, me put it on. So here it goes. Here's the front of the shirt. Here's the back of the shirt. As y'all see, this is the funny part about the shirt right here, that V. Y'all can see that V right there, that white V. This shirt gonna look hard, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Especially with the Yeezys that I did, okay? Especially with the Yeezys. I'm gonna show y'all the Yeezys right now, so here we go. Okay, guys, you guys can see these are the Yeezys right here. That's the reason why I copped this whole outfit, because this outfit looks hard, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all the outfit right now, because I don't want y'all to be like, yo, boy, tripping, bro. Let's see the outfit, okay? What you got on, okay? Let's see the whole outfit that you got on. Let's see the outfit. Hey, boy, let's see the outfit. Y'all wanna see it? Y'all ready? Everybody ready to see the outfit? I know y'all ready. Y'all better be ready. 3, 2, 1. Okay, y'all can see the Yeezys right here. And then you got the V. Just a solid V on the back. Yeah, it has some writing here at the bottom. You guys can take a look as well for yourself. And then also inside the shirt, let me show you guys right now. Inside the shirt, it has a V right here. If you guys can see, it says verified. And then it has the nav shirt. You guys can see it says verified or whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to more unboxing videos. Peace.